Patients value several key features in appointment scheduling systems, as these directly impact their convenience, satisfaction, and overall healthcare experience. One of the most appreciated features is online shelf scheduling, which allows patients to book, reschedule, or cancel appointments at their convenience without needing to call during office hours. This feature is particularly popular among younger demographic and is increasingly accessed via mobile devices. This also provides flexibility and transparency, enabling the patient to view available time slots and choose what works best for them, enhancing their sense of control over their healthcare journey. Another high valued feature is appointment reminders through SMS, email, or phone calls. These reminders help reduce no-shows and ensure patients are well prepared for their visits. Patients also appreciate the option of being placed on an automated wait list, which notifies them of earlier openings due to cancellations, allowing them to access care sooner if needed. Patients also prefer systems that minimizes wait times and offers near-term appointments, as long delays can be a source of frustration. A significant number of patients prioritize healthcare providers who can offer appointments within a few days. Additionally, features like virtual health options and the ability to manage all patients' data in one platform adds to the appeal by simplifying the overall process. Ultimately, convenience, accessibility, and efficiency are the cornerstones of a patient-friendly scheduling system. Healthcare providers that invest in robust scheduling tools not only improves patient satisfaction but also enhances loyalty and operational efficiency. For more tips on improving your clinic or hospital's digital presence and patient engagement strategies, do follow us as Jatin Shah Digital. Thank you.